Hello guys, welcome to day 177 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Before I start to explain about the project that I am trying to create, let me tell you about my Discord channel. I found a conversation into my channel which was very interesting for me. There was two guys talking about GitHub and the projects that they can put in the GitHub. I'm going to show you that conversation as well. But something that was very interesting for me is why we should use GitHub. I still don't know about it because I just know in the GitHub people going there and put their projects. I still don't know how to use the GitHub, but I think LinkedIn and GitHub are one good way to find a job at the future when I learned programming. But I don't know why exactly is that necessary to join the GitHub. So I'm going to ask this question from my friends in my Discord channel. If you don't join my Discord channel, let me show you here. You can join from here. There is a invite link into my homepage in YouTube. If you come to this place and click this arrow here, you can see a invite link to my Discord channel, and this will bring you to a page that you have to accept. You have to press accept button, accept invite, and this will bring you to my Discord channel, which you can see people in here. There's good programmers, professional ones. We are helping each other to learn programming. Of course, some of them they are here to they teach us to solve the problem, but I am a beginner. I'm going to learn from them. So make sure to join this community. It will help you a lot. Okay. If you have any comments about GitHub and why we have to join it and put our project into, I will appreciate to share your comments in the YouTube channel, or come to join us and share your comments in there, and we will enjoy reading it. This is very beneficial for everyone. Okay, let's get back to our work project, which was creating a search bar from scratch. So I know how to create a search bar using Bootstrap, but Bootstrap is just a piece of code that someone else already created. I'm trying to learn how to create a search bar from scratch. So yesterday I copy and paste the codes from a search bar in the internet. I am trying to read them carefully and understand what are these codes and how they are created. So this called, I think, reverse engineering somehow. So let's continue learning. So I think yesterday I was here. I searched about overflow. Overflow is something that when the width and if the width or height of content is bigger than the container, which is a div tag, this overflow will hide that that content is I don't know the name, but it is overflow. Background color is background color, no question. So here it says that style the links inside the navigation bar. So it's just telling that choose the anchor tags. In here we have three anchor tags. Choose them and float to the left and put them in the left. So they are here in the left, and display block. So if it's display block, it should occupy the whole space. Anyway, we don't need to think about it right now because we are focuses on this input tag which is the search bar. Text align center, padding, text decoration to none. Text decoration, what was that? Text decoration. Set text decoration property sets the appearance of decorative lines on text. It is a shorthand for text decoration line, text decoration color, text decoration style, and the newer text decoration thickness property. Try it. How it works. Text decoration underline dot. Okay, so it will just do some build things with text. It is not too much important. Font size, I already know it. So here I can see a colon, which I don't know what is colon, but I remember one of you guys explained it for me. So let's get back in the comments section. YouTube Studio and comment section. Okay, here. I think here. Semicolon is colon is called colon, not semicolon, which I previously called it semicolon. So it's colon, and it's used for specifying. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Pseudo. Okay. It's used for specifying pseudo classes in CSS. And I asked him what is pseudo. The answer is pseudo, which means fake classes. Fake classes are classes that lets us add a style when the elements state changes by mouse or keyboard. For example, p hover, color red. We will change the color of p tag only when mouse is over it. I know that's what it means, but still don't know what is the colon exactly do here. Let's just search for it again. Colon in CSS class name. Pseudo-classes. The colon is primarily used to select pseudo-classes. But what exactly are pseudo-classes? In CSS, pseudo-classes allow us to select in a style elements based on conditions or states that are not explicitly defined in the HTML structure. So I can create a classes that does not exist. Let's search in W3 Schools, which is a good site. Okay, pseudo elements. A CSS pseudo element is used to style a specified parts of an element. For example, it can be used to style the first letter or line of an element, insert content before, after, or the content of an element. The syntax of pseudo elements: selector, pseudo element, property, value, property, value. Okay, I know this what this mean, but it is, I think it's like a value for this tag here, but it is typed directly. Can't we use just this hover somewhere in this place, in these lines? So it says that when the user hover the mouse on a anchor tag, background color will be white and the color of text will be black. Background color will change, but what is the color mean? Here, color should be text color, right? But I cannot see. So it says that a tag should have a background color of white and a color text of black. And this column is something like a plus. So when the user going to hover, do this as well. So if I change this to click, I'm not sure what will happen if I choose this to click. Change the color of links on hover. This can you see this pop up? It just makes me not feeling great about it. Change the color of links on hover. If I say this should be red, so this will change when the user hover. So if I say click, it will change it, I think, when the user clicks. Maybe the clicks doesn't work here. So it's not any attribute here. Okay. These are the methods. A lot of methods it have. So if I choose vertical, what will happen? I type this input in order to see if the methods will change if I change this tag. So it will not change. The methods are the same when I type colon here, right? So let's bring back the hover. Okay, so I got this. I styled the active. How can I remove this MDN reference pop-up window? And a couple of days ago, I just searched for how to remove this MDN reference page pop-up, but I was not successful. Let's just check that right now because it's so annoying. MDN reference. How to remove MDN reference in VS Code. Go to Tools menu, Options, Tools menu. Where is Tools menu? Tools menu. There is no Tools menu here. I cannot see it. Just going to Code Preferences Settings, search this, and disable checkbox. Code Preference settings. Where is the code? Just going to code, preferences, settings. I don't know why these guys don't give a very clear explanation. How can I find code right now? Preferences, settings here, but I cannot see them. File preferences settings, search for MDN. The hover explanation about certain text and keywords, but only the references link will be gone. That's not a good idea. Found this in settings.json. Insert the following. Found this in settings.json. Insert the following. It might turn off more than you want, but at least that pop-up will be gone. To find settings.json. Right one. Open VS Code and push Control P. Type setting.json. You open up the one in app data or whatever you installed means, but Control P. It doesn't work. I have to ask this from my friends in this Discord. So let's ask this for now. We spent about 24 minutes. Let's get back to our code. So somehow we know what is column here. What is dot? What is Is it a class here? Oh, okay. That is for class. I already know it. I just thought it's something like a column that is here. So choose this class and choose this anchor tag and choose this class. Style the active element to highlight the current page. What is the active class doing here? It's a anchor tag with home page. So our home page have a style. It's blue background, right? So this is not something important here. Style the search box inside the navigation bar. Style the search box inside the navigation bar. Okay, so we choose the input, type text. It's float right. So when it says float right, it will go here. If I say float left, it will go to the left. Okay, so let's bring it back to the right. It have padding, border, margin top, margin right, font size. It's so easy. It's not anything important here. I think this one is important. When the screen is less than 600 pixel wide, stack the links and the search field vertically instead of horizontally. What is a stack mean? Stack mean arrange in a pile, typically a neat one. So it will arrange things, shuffle or arrange. When the screen is less than 600 pixels wide, stack, arrange things, arrange the links and the search field vertically instead of horizontally. I don't know what it means, but let's see what is here right. What is a screen? Is it a class? I spent about 30 minutes, so I'm going to continue this project tomorrow. This is a side project for me. I'm still after every practice, I'm going to watch a video. Of course, that videos are that's what I bought from a course, and that are included copyright, so I cannot share them unfortunately. But after this project, I'm going to spend about 30 minutes more in order to 30 minutes or 1 hour more in order to watch a new video and take some notes from it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to join our Discord channel. This will and we can help each other in learning programming. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow.